GitKraken AI is great, but this release is all about going back to basics. With GitKraken Desktop 11.5, we're putting performance at the center of the stage. Large repos now open dramatically faster. In our test with the Linux kernel, load times dropped from 9.9 seconds to just 1.7 seconds. But you might see even faster performance when you try with your repos. Background Git maintenance now runs automatically. That makes actions up to 90% faster on repos with 100,000 commits and nearly 5 times faster on repos with 1 million commits. Do you have lots of stashes saved? Well, in 11.5, those refresh almost instantly. Repos with thousands of branches, tags, or other references also load much faster. In our test with 3,200 references, performance improved by almost 98%. And on top of all these performance improvements, GitKraken Desktop should now use less memory and perform much better on your machine. Wow, really nice performance update. But we do have a few more updates. GitKraken AI is still here, but now with support for most major models, including GPT-5. And under Preferences, then Members, you'll now see suggested orgs to join, which should hopefully make it much easier to connect to your team. This release is all about speed, reliability, and bringing GitKraken Desktop back to its core. If you have more ideas for performance improvements, please let us know in the comments below. Otherwise, from all of us at GitKraken, stay legendary.